was in one-sided love. Okay. So this one is called Saint Gelati, and it's really close to my heart. I hope you guys will love it and enjoy it. Here we go, guys. Come on, make some noise! Caroline, so are you feeling the air?
Are you guys ready? Once more, are you guys ready?
Here we go! Okay. This one is called Wasted Night.